Learn, pray, and play. Why do churches, temples, and schools need a commercial playground? Let's visit some playgrounds by playgroundequipment.com, like this Catholic grade school, for answers from expert educators, staffers, and parents.
We wanted them to have a safe place to play and grow in their faith and be able to play and get physical and be healthy that way as well.
Play supports children's physical and mental well-being, but first and foremost, it's about the fun.
Outside play is important. I mean, the kids need the fresh air, they need that social piece, and they work hard all day long, so for them to get a break out here at recess is very important, and just to have fun.
Play also boosts the spirit, for real, at this church-run campground.
As we attend to the youth's spiritual health, it's good to have some physical aspects with that too, and the playground helps with that.
Playgrounds can be the perfect place for related religious and educational instruction.
Well, the Bible talks about how Jesus grew in stature and in wisdom and in favor with God and man, and this is part of the stature. It's the physical health that he had, along with all the other things.
Other lessons in learning include
gross motor skills and fine motor skills are really important in early childhood education, and the best place to enhance their learning with that is to be outdoors. So they also learn to take risks, they learn how to work cooperatively. They just have a great time when they're outside, and we do a lot of learning inside, but coming outside expands their learning space.
One thing we try to teach our students here at Pine Tree Elementary is that they need to have a growth mindset when they are faced with an obstacle. So we tell them not to give up. We need to exercise our bodies, but we need to exercise our brains as well.
Social skills, fairness, confidence all come into play. And these older kids out of middle school mix in competition with play and exercise on their outdoor fitness lab.
A lot of times they'll make competitions out of things, so we've already had kids doing sit-up competitions and swinging competitions and how many push-ups can you do. So it's basically just getting the kids out here, getting them working together with their friends, and just making sure that they're doing something physically fit.
And finally, a practical reason for a commercial grade playground. This sprawling play area at a synagogue and preschool is a great welcome mat and a possible attraction to prospective students, parents, and congregants. This commercial playground we just installed at a Catholic school could actually be a selling point. It says, "Welcome, let's play," to both kids and adults. Learn, pray, and playgrounds at playgroundequipment.com.